So last month, Mark Gurman rumored that we'd be getting a second-gen Apple Vision Pro headset in 2026 with an M5 chip, as well as a lower-cost version sometime this year. The latter is rumored to be called the Apple Vision and would cost around $2,000. Yeah, lower cost is certainly an overstatement. Gurman gave some good theories on what this lower cost headset would be like, but today I just want to go over my unrealistic and dumb predictions for what we could see in the future Apple Vision headset. First things first, $2,000 for a VR headset is intense, but the fact that they're able to remove $1,500 off the price of the original is great. Over time, it'll get cheaper and cheaper as they get better prices on parts and remove unnecessary features. Take, for example, eyesight. In the first few months, the Persona feature looked pretty uncanny to me, both in VR and on the front screen. However, since then, they've improved it a lot, but the front screen still has such slim angles of it looking nice that it somewhat cancels out. That's why I think eyesight needs to be removed for this cheaper headset. You can keep the front glass though, I mean it looks awesome compared to just plastic like on the Quest 3. Next, there should be a standard face cushion and an upcharge to get a personalized one. Currently, to buy a Vision Pro, you need to scan your face with an iPhone and then a specific face cushion is chosen for you. The most obvious issues with this is that Android users can't purchase one on their phones, reselling is tough, and no third-party seller like Best Buy offers it. Therefore, I think having a standard face cushion would make costs cheaper and lead to more sales. As a result though, they'll have to improve eye tracking substantially so that there isn't any issue with the headset seeing your eyes. And yes, this cheaper headset would still have eye tracking, only because I absolutely love using it to navigate around apps. I look somewhere, tap my fingers together, and then bam, it's open. For me, it's way better than hand tracking. Optic ID is also a huge time saver. For chipset, they could probably settle for something like the M3, which would be 2 years old by the time that this headset would probably release. I'd also assume that they'd opt for lower resolution lenses, which is a shame since they're a beautiful almost 4K resolution on the Vision Pro. Even if they lowered it to the big screen beyond resolution, it would still be higher than what's in the Quest 3. I would hope it's OLED displays because, again, they're beautiful. For me, watching movies with LCD displays after using OLED is such a huge downgrade. Anyways, those are my predictions for the Apple Vision headset that's being rumored to release this year. What do you think about them? If you've got any of your own, let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.